Hey guys, Dr. Angelina here with Surgicare Arts and Ideal Body Institute, and today we're going to talk about procedures for men. Something that not many people talk about. However, we do get quite a few men coming in for procedures. It's just fair that we're going to address it. I guess we'll go from head to toe. In cosmetic surgery world or plastic surgery world, what do men ask for and what do we recommend? The face, facials. Men have skin, same as women. So a lot of my patients will come in to get facials. Not necessarily the little foo-foo facials, but definitely pore clarifying facials, acne scar treatment facials, PRP injections, under eye procedures where we inject either PRP or fillers for the face. We all want you to look a little bit more refreshed, younger, healthier. Botox or Brotox, all of those things that women do, men do as well, except they don't talk about it as much. So then people who want to get into it or maybe don't even know that it exists, don't know where to start. Again, guys, you can have same procedures women do. We can call them different, we can call them the same. Effect is the same. We want to look refreshed. You're going to a new job interview, you want to look rested, you maybe are not happy about the scars from the acne you had as a teenager, that something needs to be done. This what we do. People who work outside, I have a lot of guys who have jobs outside and they get a lot of sun exposure, maybe never used SPF because most of us don't, which we should, and then we get dark skin in the areas, sunspots, sun damage. We want to treat it, we want to do some laser, microneedling, something. Men can do it. As far as surgical procedures, blepharoplasty is a great procedure for guys to get extra skin off here. Usually it happens with age. Obviously somewhat is genetic, but as we age, this little skin starts to hang over the eye, and of course in some older guys it will be to the point where it interferes with their vision. Getting that little skin off right there to open up your eye is a great way to make yourself look refreshed, younger, improve your vision, and literally take like 10 years off your face right there. We talked about fillers, younger guys, older guys too. Chin fillers, jaw fillers to kind of get you that manly look, getting a stronger jawline, stronger chin, especially if you have a receding chin. Chin that kind of goes back like this, we can put fillers there. So guys can do those procedures. As they get older, neck can become an issue. Sometimes we have a lot of extra neck hanging here, which can be treated either for non-invasive, or if there's really a lot of skin, we can actually do facelift or neck lift, or actually excise the skin directly and kind of hide that scar in a beard, hair. That can be done. If we go down towards the chest area, a lot of men will have gynecomastia or extra tissue around the breast. You can always come back and get liposuction, gynecomastia excision, which is a really extra breast tissue that needs to be excised. And if you don't know if you have it or not, as long as you have that extra tissue hanging there, you can take care of it. It doesn't matter if there's a breast tissue or not. If there is, we take it out. If there's not, we just liposuction the area and tighten the skin. People who lost a lot of weight, we have a lot of bariatric patients here, men who lost weight, they'll have this extra skin hanging, right? Men boobs. We can cut it off. We can cut off the skin and potentially preserve your nipple and get you a flatter looking chest. And if you're working out, then you have your muscles. Sometimes we can even do fat transfers to the chest to make it look a little bit more bulkier, and it looks, kind of like sculpting procedure. Look like you have bigger packed muscles. Also, we have Evolve. Evolve is a muscle toning machine that actually works out your muscles. So you have to pretend like you have muscles, you actually get muscles. And Evolve works for any muscle group. I can do it on abs, I can do it on your glutes, I can do it on your biceps, triceps, pecs. Works great. Moving down, skin excision on the belly after weight loss for men, big deal. Doing tummy tucks, with or without muscle repair, because a lot of men will have the strong muscle, it's just the extra skin and fat that was there from weight loss surgery after the weight loss procedure. Or guys who do have already good physique but they want to have a little bit extra definition on their muscles, or getting rid of that extra love handles around the lower abdominal area, we can do liposuction on that. Many procedures, PRP shots. So I'm sure guys, some of you probably heard of P shots. That's a procedure when we actually inject PRP, which is the blood that we get from you, and spin it and get it ready back into your penis. Helps with performance and strength, and some people even say girth. I don't advertise it as much, but it definitely can improve things. Skin procedures, laser procedures, so you don't have to shave your back or stuff like that. You can laser it. We have painless laser. You come in, get it done, doesn't hurt. Microneedling under the armpits for sweating, so you don't have to use that stupid deodorant stick and get your shirts all stained or wet from sweat. Literally, so many procedures for men. Ask questions, you know, don't be afraid to come to us. I promise we don't bite. Come in, ask your questions. Do telemedicine consults. Like, we don't have to come in person. If you're busy, we meet online. We talk about whatever issues you have. Recommend some treatments. I can educate you. Then you make your decision. Very easy. We'll go in each procedure individually in the videos. I already had some videos done on gynecomastia in more detail. I've definitely done videos on Morpheus 8 for armpits, for sweating. We'll add more procedures specifically for men here, and ask your questions. Follow along on Instagram and YouTube. Comment. That way I know what you want to hear about and we can discuss it. And if you want to request to see any procedures, I can actually videotape doing it on somebody for your knowledge, for your experience. Follow along. All right. See you later.